Welcome to my channel Maths Pursuit. Today we will look into the questions from the chapter called Number Systems. The given question is express the following in the form P upon Q where P and Q are integers and Q is not equal to 0 and the given number is 0.001. So guys, let us see how we can express 0.001 in the form of P and Q. The question has given us here this number 0.001 and a bar upon here upon 001. So the question has given us 0.001 and the question wants us to represent or to express this number in the form of P upon Q where Q is not equal to 0. This is what the question is asking us to do. That means the question wants us to the question is asking us to represent 0.001 in the form of a rational number. Guys, we very well know that a rational number is a number which is of the form P upon Q where Q is not equal to 0. So this is what we are going to do. We are going to express 0.001 in the form of a rational number. Now, let us see how we can do this. Now, 0.001, the question has given a bar on 001. This I can write as 0.001. A bar on 0.001 means 001 is repeating. So I can write 0.001, 001, 001, and this one will keep on repeating. This is what I can do. Now let us assume let x is equal to 0.001, 001, 001 and which is repeating. This is what we have assumed. Now one most important thing is that try to understand 3 digits are repeating here. We could see that 3 digits are repeating here 001. So as 3 digits are repeating, let us multiply 1000 to both sides of the above equation. As 3 digits are repeating, in order to solve this, what we are going to do, as 3 digits are repeating, we are going to multiply 1000 to both sides of the above equation. What is that equation? Our equation is x is equal to 0.001, 001, 001. So this is what we are going to do. We are going to multiply as 3 digits are repeating. If 1 digit would have repeated, then I would have multiplied by 10. If 2 digits, by 100. If as many as digits it is repeating, I just need to multiply with that many numbers, adding that many zeros to 1. Hope guys we are very clear for this step. So here as 3 digits are repeating, just I am going to multiply 1000 to both sides of the above equation. The above equation is nothing but x is equal to 0.001, 001, 001. Or I can write what I can write now, x into 1000 is equal to 0.001, 001, 001 and dots because it is repeating into 1000. Hope guys this step is very clear to all of us. Or I can write 1000x. I can write 1000x is equal to, remember guys, we are multiplying 1000 with 0.001, 001, 001. So our decimal will be shifted to 3 digits place. Our decimal will shift to here after 3 digits. So I can write this one as 001.001, 001, and I can add still one more 001. I can add as many as 001 I want because this is repeating. So what we got, 001.001, 001, 001. Or I can write the above step as 1000x is equal to 001 is nothing but 1 dot 001, 001, 001, and this one is repeating. Hope guys till here we are very clear. Now the very next step is very important for us. The very next step is most important for us. Why important? Let us see. Or I can write 1000x is equal to, I am going to segregate this 1 point 001, 001, 001 into 2 parts. Out of these 2 parts, one part is going to be this one, 0.001, 001, 001. So that is one part. So we know one part. That means 0.001, 001, 001. This is one part. And the other part, what the other part is going to be? We are segregating this particular 1.001, 001, 001 into 2 parts. We know that one part is 0.001, 001, 001. And the other part, what the other part will be? Let us find out that one. We can do it verbally, or even to avoid any mistakes, let us subtract 0.001, 001, 001 from 1.001, 001, 001. That would be appropriate because we will avoid any mistakes. So I can write 1.001, 001, 001, and I'm going to subtract what I'm going to subtract 0.001, 001, 001. Hope guys, till here we are very clear. If I am going to subtract this one, what we are going to get? 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1. So what we got? We got 1.000, which is nothing but only 1. So I can write here 1. This is the way we should do. This is the way we should do. So I wrote 1. Now in the very next step, I can write or 1000x is equal to 1 plus x. Just I'm replacing x. Why I'm replacing x? Guys, if you remember, I'm replacing with x. If you remember, initially we have considered, here, look here to this step. Initially we had considered 0.001, 001, 001 dot to be x. Now here in this step, I am replacing 0.001, 001 back to x. Or I can write, what I can write? Or I can write x is equal to, or I can write, what I can write? Or I can write x is equal to 1000x, 1000x, 1000x minus x, 1000x minus x is equal to 1. Or I can write 999x is equal to 1, or I can write x is equal to 1 upon 999. Hope guys you understood this. This is what we are looking for. We got x is equal to 1 upon 99999. Hope guys this is very clear to all of us. This is the number that we are looking for. X is equal to 1 upon 999. Now if we solve this one, we will get, if we solve this equation, we will get, what we will get? We will get 0.001, 001, 001, which is repeating, and that we can express it, or that we can write as 0.001 a bar on this. Hope guys you understood this. This is very simple and very straightforward. Just I took some time so that I can explain you, but you people can do it within 5 minutes or 10 minutes max to max. Guys, still if you have any doubts or questions, please reach out to me in the comment section of this video. Definitely I will help you out if I see your comments. Guys, if you really like my videos, please subscribe. If you really like my videos, I would request you to kindly subscribe and also let your friends know. This will motivate me to create similar videos in the future. Thank you. Bye.